I'm making a quick video about screencasting. I just downloaded Screencast-O-Matic from my Mac. I have it on my laptop and I've used it a couple times. It's really easy. I downloaded this, it took seconds, and it's free. I just click start recording and here we are. You can also, I know there's a version for Chromebook that I haven't used before, but you can watch this video to get started, to get set up with it. And it's pretty easy there's some tutorials on how to use it. But why to use it? Well, a friend of mine was showing a video of a kid using Flipgrid, and I had the idea, I've done this before, where you can make a video and then upload it to Flipgrid. So let's say you're teaching the Pythagorean theorem and you want to put in some information, and you can have the kids actually, teach while, actually typing. You can use this is all in the Google Slides, which I use like crazy, and they can actually do things on the screen showing stuff. Here is, oops, go back into Scribble. Here is the information that I was talking about, and that's a pretty pathetic arrow, but you get the idea. Then you have the kids on the screen talking to themselves right now, that's me, or each other, obviously, and they can watch each other, but they can also get the information, and you can assess how well they know the information. Just an idea, and give it a try.